Welcome. We are going to talk about how to look for a job when you lack confidence, right? It's hard to do something when you don't think you can do it. And if you don't think you can do it, you're never going to be able to convince somebody else you can do it. So here's what you're going to do. Number one, I give you permission today. I give you permission. Start thinking about how totally freaking awesome you are. Yes, you are allowed. I know we as women are often trained to keep our head down and just work hard, and that people are going to recognize us and that we shouldn't brag about what we do, right? Teachers are taught all about team, together, everyone achieves more, and we're not allowed to talk about your individual accomplishments. Well, listen, I need you to think about how great you are. I want you to think about every process that's in place because of you. I want you to think about everything that you've improved, every individual that you have helped. And I want you to think about numbers. Okay. I've worked with clients that said, yeah, I did some trainings. And when I get down to it, I find out that not only did they do trainings, but they delivered trainings at the district level or at a state level. So I want you to start writing down everything that you have done and allow yourself that moment to be like, you know something? Pretty awesome. I've done some great things. I've made differences in people's lives. I've improved business. I've improved operations. So do all that. Write it all down. Next thing, go back. If you have any letters of recommendation, if you have any reviews, if you have any notes people have written to you, emails people have sent to you, thanking you, showing their appreciation of you, read them. There's nothing like a good power boost, right? And a confidence boost than reading all the wonderful words that people write about you. So go back, read them, and allow that sense of pride to fill you up. Okay. Next thing, ask the people that are closest to you, right? People that love you and are close with you. Hey, what do I do really well? What do I do better than other people? What am I recognized for? What am I the go to person for? When you think of me, what do you think of? And allow the opinions that other people have of you. When people see you in this really great light, for you to realize how much of a difference you make in this world. Right? Next, and this is really important, stop the negative self-talk, right? Don't tell yourself, you can't do this. You aren't good enough. You are only A. It's never going to work out for you, right? Why do you think anyone's ever going to want to hire you? Stop that negative self-talk. Every time you tell yourself something negatively, your brain hears that and you're bossing yourself over and over again. I want you to tell yourself how awesome you are every single day. I want you to think about these things. When you go to bed every night, I want you to think about three great things that happened that day. And I want you to think about three great things that you did that day. Okay. Um, and then I want you to recognize that we've done things scared before. When we've been in difficult situations in our lives and we've put on our big girl panties and done what we had to do to get the job done, right? Finding a job is not the most difficult thing that you've had to do in your life. And if you have to do it scared, remember the why. So do it and do it scared. Okay, if you have to do it scared, but just do it because you're going to feel so much better about yourself when you see the progress that you're making and you realize the value that everybody sees in you, right? I have so many videos that can help you, and I could work one on one with you also, right? You can work with a career coach who is going to help you see your individual value and help you to market that so that you feel better about who you are and what you bring to the table and you're able to go out there and get those jobs. My name is Cindy. I empower career changers, transitioning teachers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. I invite you to schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can make you be successful in your job search. I hope you found this super productive. Always remember you're a warrior. Have a wonderful week. I'll catch you. See you soon. Bye.